Kamusta? Heto ang medal tally ng 19th Asian Games Hangzhou 2022 na nagaganap sa bansang China. As of September 24, 2023, 5 PM, nanguna agad ang China, 12 gold, 2 silver, 3 bronze. South Korea, 4 gold, 3 silver, 1 bronze. Japan, 1 gold, 3 silver, 1 bronze. Chinese Taipei, 1 gold, 1 silver, 1 bronze. Hong Kong, 1 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. India, 0 gold, 3 silver, 2 bronze. Uzbekistan, 0 gold, 3 silver, 2 bronze. Indonesia, 0 gold, 1 silver, 3 bronze. Iran, 0 gold, 1 silver, 1 bronze. Kazakhstan, 0 gold, 1 silver, 1 bronze. Brunei, 0 gold, 1 silver, 0 bronze. Vietnam, 0 gold, 0 silver, 2 bronze. Macau, China, 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Mongolia, 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Philippines, 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. North Korea, 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Thailand, 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang ibang team participants: Afghanistan, Bahrain, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Cambodia, East Timor, Iraq, Jordan, Kuwait, Kyrgyzstan, Laos, Lebanon, Malaysia, Maldives, Myanmar, Nepal, Oman, Pakistan, Palestine, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, Sri Lanka, Syria, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, United Arab Emirates at Yemen. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.